how are we gonna intro this? Okay, welcome to my channel. My name's Hannah. This is Phoebe. Okay, so it's Halloween very soon.
Just so we're gonna make some Halloween Easter treat.
Halloween Easter treats. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, welcome back. My name's Hannah, this is Phoebe, and today's video we're going to be doing some Halloween Rice Krispie treats because it's that time of year again and fun. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. This is us getting the ingredients. I'm shaky as hell, you know. This coffee's done me a bad one. Are they vegetarian?
Oh,
beef gelatin.
Hannah, this is a stupid montage.
This is what you call a stupid montage.
Hannah, these are expensive. These are £1 each.
Okay, go. What do we need first? First step is to melt some butter.
Butter.
Butter. A block about this size. There you go.
Cool.
And that's gonna go on the stove. Go.
Go what?
Put the fluff in.
I don't have a spoon.
Put it in. How much are we putting in?
So I've got nail varnish with it already.
Fever.
Once the mix in, it's fine.
You're gonna, Phoebe, get it out!
How? I don't get it on my hand. Look, I can literally see what happened.
Her love of nail varnish is literally in here. There it is. Phoebe, she was literally just gonna mix that in. Yeah, just mix it in, it'll be fine. We're gonna do the rest of the fluff and we'll get back to you. I think I got most of this one. So this is what the treats are meant to. All over my finger. This is what the treats are meant to look like. I'm gonna put a picture up there. Chances are mine won't look like that. Okay, I'm gonna bring you down so you can have a look. I personally don't actually like fluff. I don't like marshmallows. But we'll see, it might be nice. Phoebe's decided to put the whole 3 tubs in. I honestly think 2 is enough. Okay, so this is quite a crucial time. It may or may not ruin the whole thing. I don't want to make it splatter too much. Don't splatter.
Oh, it looks like egg.
It does, it's disgusting. Okay. Oh, this looks great. It actually mixed really well. Okay, so next we're going to add the Rice Krispies into the fluff. Oops. I got most of them in. Oh! Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to clean that up because that's gonna make too much noise. Oh, you get the point. I can't show you, but look, there's Rice Krispies, and I'm just scared the fluff is gonna solidate. I get the Hoover.
This is what we're working with.
Well, we can make some good ghosts. Okay, you know what I think? I think we should leave it here, and we'll get back to you when it's like the decorating fun time. So, we have basically, after stirring lots of the Rice Krispies in with the fluff rice collars, please. I've put them into baking trays, or whatever these are called, with some greaseproof paper, and I've patted them down. They're like compact, very solid. And then Phoebe is over here just making different coloured icing sugar. How's it going, Phoebe?
Good, I think. I'm not good at this.
Well, I don't want to say she added too much water, but she definitely added too much freaking water. And then she had to keep on adding loads of icing sugar, and then we opened the green. So basically we bought, like you saw, we bought these new ones yesterday, but then she went into our baking cupboard over here and we had some green icing sugar already in there, and it smells off. Like, it smells don't know, I'm bringing it up to you as if you can smell it, but it smells sour. Well, we may or may not have been recording that whole thing. If not, I'm sorry. Things have been turning out well. The Rice Krispie cakes came out great, and we're now decorating them. Hey Dad! What room does the ghost not need?
What?
What room does a ghost not need? A living room. It's not funny, is it?
Oh, it's good. I like that one.
What do ghosts use to wash their hair?
Shampoo.
Yes, shampoo. Ah! Oh! My ankle!
You got that cramp. You got cramping.
Ah, it's not a cramp, it's what the heck is that? Oh, black cat.
Yeah.
Head.
A black cat head.
Oh, my foot, boy.
Why didn't you do black with white eyes though?
What do you mean black with white eyes?
That is black, but with black eyes, not white.
Grey with black eyes.
Yeah, because
Yeah, 'cause we don't have black. The food colour we got. The weather outside is
spooky.
Hey, do you need to use a lot of this?
Oh, crapolio.
No? Okay. Right. What can we do to make this a bit more entertaining then, Phoebe? We want to do something.
I don't know.
Oh my god, listen to the... What do you get when you cross a witch with sand? Sandwich. Who comes up with these jokes? That's rubbish.
Some funny guy.
That is absolutely rubbish. What is your favourite holiday?
My favourite. Oh, like
Yes, holiday. Yes, that's what I meant.
I thought you meant like holiday, like favourite holiday that I've been on.
No, your favourite holiday.
Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, Halloween, but yeah,
Yeah,
Christmas.
mine's Christmas as well. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, well we've been doing this for about how long now? Years, it feels like.
Oh,